All right, this is Nervous Nick. Let's go ahead and fire this bad boy up. I want to go over this one more time with you. When I told you guys a couple videos ago, I put on there that going to get your BIOS number, your version of your BIOS. Let me see here. I want to make sure I showed you guys the right way how to get. I don't know if I put it all together in one video to go show you how to retrieve the BIOS. Wait, where are we at here? All right, hold on one second. Password. We drop down. To put the password in. Hold on a second. All right, we're going to go to BIOS. We're going to go to a couple videos ago I showed you guys Bell Arc. That was it. Hold on, let me get this stuff closed off here. All right, Bell Arc. Let's see, over here in the top corner, I got Bell Arc. The B over here, double click that. We're gonna try and find out. I don't know, that ain't closed over on the right. Come on. We're gonna try and find out the version of our BIOS. Easiest way is to go to Bell Arc. I showed you guys a couple of videos ago how to download that. Put it on there about 2 videos ago. So look back at that one. It's taking a picture inside my computer right now, looking around. It's going to tell me the BIOS version, the year. That's what I need is the year. On this computer, I'm on a different computer, but I'm showing you for Dell Latitude d630 or d820 or any of the Dell Latitudes there. I think it's the A19 BIOS. That's the latest one. You want to have the latest BIOS. And so I think it came with the A17 when it first shipped. Hold on, let me try and get past some of this stuff here. Something opening up over here. Skip this step. Try not to pull in too tight because I don't want you guys to see something you might not want to see. You might not need to see something on my personal data here. It's going to show on here now what on my computer. All right, real quick, I'm going to go. Okay, just pull it up. All the stuff on your computer. Okay, here's a second section down here. Over on the right, it's going to tell you about your BIOS. This one's a different computer I'm on right now, but it'll say A19 for a BIOS for Dell, and it gives me the date. It'll give me a date. I think it said I think it said A19 if it was from 2013 on the Dell. All right. So now, to make sure I got the latest BIOS, now I'm going to show you how to. We'll close out of here. Okay. We're going to go to Dell now. Dell support. We'll check what they got over there on the downloads. Dell. There it is down at the bottom. You guys leave it in my comments. I want to do a screenshot. I want to tape off the screenshot. I got a camera. I'm holding the camera right now. But what does this say? See results closer. Let's see, Dell official site support. I'm trying to do a screenshot and record off there, but it's whatever codes I'm getting to do it, it's not working. So you guys let me know in comments how I set that up. I know you hit a couple of buttons. Every time I tried, it don't work. Let's see here. Dell support. Manual. Here it is. Okay, go to Dell support. Then go up here to here I'm at the top column here. Go up here to support, and then right down here you click on that, and it drops down, drop down box, and go down the 4th one down right there. You see there? Try to pull you in a little tighter. Drivers and downloads. Click on that. Okay. Identify which product you have. We're going to say we got the Latitude. Oops. Latitude space D630. There it is. So it's on top there. See? We'll see we got Latitude D630. Click on that. It's looking around a little bit. Okay, we're going to say you want Dell does not support Windows 10 or above or on your device. Okay, we're going to say we got, hold on here. We're going to say we got, I know it's going to ask you the Windows version. I got Dell, I'm running Windows 10. So let's see here. The latest one would be, I'm over on the right here. We're going to say we got Windows Vista 64-bit. Or no, what's that BIOS one on top? I'm going to go to that top one, BIOS. Download type on the bottom left here. Download type. Okay, there's two BIOSes showing. Click on that. And category. Let's see, over on the bottom right, bottom left. We'll click on that again. BIOS, another one over there. Okay. And oh, it's already popping up down here below. Okay, yeah, there it is. There. See, this is what I'm saying. I had on my system, it was showing the 2013 for the BIOS when I did the Bell Arc, and it showed 2013. And here on top, they're showing recommended, and it's showing the year's 2020. So you want to download that. Click on that download, and if you can put it where you, if it asks you where to put it, I put it on the desktop. But you just got to go in your downloads. You want to have the latest version of the. Makes your computer run. I can't explain it to you what all it does, but it makes your computer run a lot smoother. We'll say download, and it looks like it went to work. It's already going to work up the top there. It says done. Downloaded it already. Let me see what it says. Oh, it's telling me about the file size and stuff. Older versions. See right there? See it's saying A19 is the older versions. And it's not coming in too clear on this camera here. All right. So now you're going to go look in your downloads for it and install it. It's all the drivers of Windows. Okay, it's all self-explanatory. So this is from June to 2020. Okay. So we're out of here. You can come back here and look around at some of the downloads they offer you on drivers and stuff if you want later. So I'm out of here. Then you got to go in your downloads and just click on it in downloads. You'll see it in downloads. Let's see if I can find it. There it is, downloads. Let's see what we got. It didn't take me there. Dell downloads. Anyway, get into your downloads. I'm going too long here in the video. Get into your downloads and try and get it out of there. Where's my downloads? Downloads. I was just there yesterday. All right. So there, we just went to we found out our version of we found our BIOS version, and I can't get on my downloads. Man. All right, maybe I'll do another video on this. I don't want to do another one. I think we're covering the BIOS too much here. Anyway, we went to Bell Arc. Got it does a screenshot, and then look over in the bottom section there on the right, the second column down there. It'll show your BIOS version. It should have on the D630. I think it was they had an A17 BIOS. You want to upgrade from that one. You want to get up to the A19 and the 2020 year. Okay, so I know I had 2013 on my computer. I got to pull that computer out. Haven't had that one running in a while. Maybe that'll be the next video. I'm going to show you guys how to get the free copy of Windows 10. I got Windows 10 running on the Dell Latitude d630. I got Windows 10 running on there, and it runs fine. So that's what you want to do, is get up to Windows 10 on that version, on that computer anyway. All right, I'm out. This is Nervous Snake. I'll see you in the next one. We're going too long in this video. Click down on more in the description. Click more, and click down in Nick's Marketplace. I got some video links down there. I got some affiliate links down there for it'll help out my channel. They'll send me a couple nickels if you buy something down there. I got some affiliate links you might be interested in. All right, it's Nervous Snake, and I'm out. See you next one.